I'm Dr. W.B. Ganude from Kamala Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. In today's part, we are discussing the mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. As we discuss, Reageners confirm the stability of benzene and other organic compounds. And these organic compounds undergo substitution reaction rather than addition reaction. These substitution reactions are brought about by the agent which are mainly electrophilic in nature. So in today's part we are discussing the electrophilic substitution reaction mechanism and particularly the nitration and sulfonation and their energy profile diagrams. So today's topic is the aromatic compounds and aromaticity, and in today's part we are discussing the topics are mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction and general patterns of mechanism of the reaction, and also particularly we are discussing the mechanism of nitration and mechanism of sulfonation. As we know, in case of aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction, benzene contains two pi electron cloud, one lying above and other below the plane of the ring. As we have seen, electron clouds, benzene have unhybridized p orbital, they overlap sidewise and forming the electron, or we can say pi electron cloud above and below the plane of the ring. As compared to sigma electron, these pi electrons are loosely held and therefore easily available for as a electrophile. In other words, also we can say that in case of electrophilic substitution reaction, benzene ring acts as a source of electron, that is nucleophile, and give necessary electrons to form the covalent bond between aromatic compound and the electrophile. In case of electrophilic substitution reaction, these reactions are initiated by agent which are electrophilic, that is electron loving in nature. So different reactions are there, and general mechanism, or we can say general patterns of substitution reaction is shown here. As we know, the substitution reaction consists of these steps. This is the general pattern of the mechanism of the electrophilic substitution, and this substitution reaction consists of these steps. Step 1 is the formation of electrophile. So always when we discuss the mechanism, there are three steps. Step 1 is the formation of electrophile, and second step is the attack of electrophile to the benzene ring, and third step is the removal of or loss of proton, and we get the substitution product. So there are three steps. So in the step 1 shown in this case, what is the first step is the formation of electrophile. In case of this formation, it generates the electrophile as shown here. E and N, electrophile, nucleophile, catalyst. In place of catalyst, E plus is the electrophile is generated, and this catalyst and N is removed. Or also this E and N are there, so electrophile is separated, these two are separated in this way. In short we can say that in the step 1 it is the formation of the electrophile. So we can say that in case of this benzene ring contains 6 delocalized pi electron, and hence it is an electron rich system. Electrophilic substitution reaction initiated by the agent or the substance which are electrophilic or electron loving in nature. So step 1, E is the electrophile and N is the nucleophile, and in this case first step, formation of electrophiles are there. So this is the generation or the formation of electrophile in the first step, formation of electrophile. In the second step, in step 2, electrophile now obtained in the first step add to the benzene ring. So there is a attack of electrophile to the benzene ring and forming the regional stabilized carbonium or carbocation intermediate. Formation of carbonium ion is a slow step. So this is the slow step, and the slow step is the rate determining step. So how it is? So see here, This is the benzene ring. This is the electrophile. In the second step, this electrophile adds to the benzene ring, and this is I am forming the resonance stabilized carbonium intermediate. Carbonium or carbocation intermediate. So intermediate is forming, carbonium ion is forming, and this is resonance stabilized. So here now see, when this electrophile attack, it attaches to this carbon, hydrogen and E are there, and the positive charge of electrophile is here on this carbon, and these two are the double bond. Now this bond shifted here, and this is the as it is, and so this bond is shifted in this way, another structure. So positive charge now becomes here, and again now there is orientation of the positive charge now becomes here, and these two are the double bonds. So this is the attack of electrophile, and these are the three structure. 1, 2, 3 are the, this is the resonance stabilized intermediate, and this is the structure 2. And now here a combination of all the resonance structure, this is the resonance hybrid. So we obtain this, so we can show it is dash 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 here, and here is a E and H. So this is the resonance hybridized product, or we can say it is a intermediate. So in this way there is a three structures for resonance hybridization. So positive charge get orient at the alternate carbon, and we obtain this is the resonance hybrid structure. And as we know, in the third step, in this step intermediate loses proton and forming the substitution product. Unlike alkene, the nucleophile remove proton for carbonium ion intermediate, and this loss of proton allow the electron for this carbon hydrogen bond to go back in the ring, regenerating the aromatic pi electron system. So in the third step we can say that there is a removal or loss of proton from this intermediate carbocation. So this is the intermediate carbocation obtained in the step 2. Now this bond will break, and this is shifted here, so this bond become double, and now H plus ion is removed, that is proton, and what is now we obtain E is here electrophile. So in this way we obtain the substitution product. So this is the general pattern of the mechanism of the substitution reaction. So this is consist of three steps. First step, formation of electrophile. Second, attack of electrophile on the benzene nucleus, and third, loss of proton, and we get substitution product. So these are the three steps. Similar three steps are also there, and we are taking the example of sulfonation and the nitration. So in the next part we are discussing the nitration, mechanism of nitration. In case of mechanism of nitration, and this nitration reaction is carried out by reacting the benzene and other arenes with the mixture of nitrating mixture. What is now nitration is carried out by reacting benzene with the nitrating agent. Nitrating mixture is a concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid. This mixture, concentrated sulfuric acid and nitric acid, this mixture is commonly known as nitrating mixture. So when the benzene is treated with nitrating mixture, then how they are taking place? So mechanism. So again now this mechanism of nitration consists of three steps. Now the various steps involved in the nitration are three steps are there. So again now as we know, step 1 is the formation of electrophile. So how electrophile generate in case of nitration? So here is given the step 1 generation of electrophile, that is NO2 plus. The name of NO2 plus is the nitronium ion, is the electrophile. Step 1 is generation of electrophile, that is NO2 plus, and nitration, nitronium ion. NO2 plus is also known as, name of this ion is the electrophile is the nitronium ion. In the presence of concentrated H2SO4, sulfuric acid, nitric acid act as a base and accept proton to form protonated nitric acid, which then loses the water to form the nitronium ion. So how the electrophile nitronium ion generate. So shown in this reaction. As we know, H2SO4 can dissociate and form two types of ion, H plus and HSO4 minus. And this H plus of the H2SO4, and this is the HNO3, HNO3. It is shown in this way. This proton get attached to this nitric acid. So nitric acid accept the proton, and after this then it loses the water. So you see now here this act as a base, nitric acid, and accept proton, and see here now this is the attacking, and so proton get attached here. So because of H plus have no electron, O having extra electron, that is donated and forming this bond, and positive charge is on the oxygen. Now in this case this bond get break and this electron pair shifted here. So positive charge, no, there is no positive charge, and we obtain this is the water get removed, and we obtain this shifted here NO2 plus. So positive charge shifted here, this electron pair here, water get released, and what is we obtain the NO2 plus. This is the water and NO2. This is the water, and NO2 plus is the nitronium ion is formed. So this is the step where we obtain step 1, generation of electrophile nitronium ion. So in this step, this is the step 1, generation of the electrophile, that is nitronium ion, NO2 plus. As we know, in the second step, it is the formation of carbocation intermediate, and in the formation of carbocation intermediate, so second step is the attack of electrophile on the benzene nucleus, and we obtain carbocation intermediate. So how again now this intermediate is a regional stabilized. So see here, this is the nitronium ion attack the benzene. So now this is the slow step. So here NO2 joined here to this carbon have positive charge, and again as we have seen, this positive charge becomes now here and then here. So it is the structures are regional stabilized carbocation, or also known as the sigma complex. So in this way, this bond shifted here, then this bond shifted here in this way, and we obtain three different structures which are known as the resonance structure of the carbocation. And so these are the regional stabilized carbocation, and so these are the three structures, and combination of all the three structures we obtain this. इसमें ऐसा लिखना है dash dash dash, other than this इस टाइप से लिखना, because double bond here and also here. So in this way we can show this is the resonance hybrid of carbocation. So this step is a slow step, and therefore it is the rate determining step of the reaction. So this step is a step 2 is a slow step is a slow, and therefore it is the rate determining step of the reaction. So this is the resonance hybrid of the carbocation. And in the third step, there is a loss of proton from the carbocation intermediate. So third step is the loss of proton, and finally the sigma complex or the carbocation intermediate loses proton and to form the base to the base and forming the nitrobenzene. So this is the substitution product nitrobenzene. ये कैसा होता है देखो, this is NO2, this is having positive charge, this is the intermediate carbocation, and this HSO4 minus attack here, and what is now here H plus, और ये H2SO4 निकल जाता है और NO2 becomes here now, and we obtain the this is the first reaction, and this is the product which is known as substitution product nitrobenzene. So nitrobenzene is the substitution product in this reaction in the step 3. This step is the first and hence does not affect the rate of reaction. This step 3 is a fast reaction and hence it does not affect the rate of the reaction. So these are the 3 steps in case of nitration. Similar 3 steps are there in case of sulfonation also. So see the mechanism of sulfonation, and before that see the energy profile diagram of the nitration. So here are the ring and the NO2 plus nitronium ion and the benzene. This is the reactant. It is converted to the transition state intermediate, so the E for the activation energy, and these are the transition state, and after that water get released and we obtain the nitrobenzene here C6H5NO2 and the H plus. So after removing the proton we obtain the nitrobenzene. So as the time progresses, so initially some amount of energy required to convert the reactant to transition state. So two transition states are there. This is the maximum and this light is there, and then after that we get the energy decreases and we get the product. So energy of product is there as compared to the reactant. So this is the energy profile diagram for the nitration, electrophilic substitution reaction of nitration. Similar type of reaction is there, sulfonation. Sulfonation is the reaction which is carried out by reacting the benzene or any other arenes with the concentrated sulfuric acid or oleum. Sulfuric acid we can take for this sulfonation, or sometimes we can also take the what is known as the oleum. And as we know, oleum is the mixture of concentrated H2SO4 and SO3, and formula of oleum is a H2S2O7. H2S2O7. So it is a mixture of, oleum is a mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide. And mechanism of this sulfonation involves again 3 steps. The mechanism of sulfonation also again involves 3 steps. Step 1, generation of electrophile. So in this case, sulfur trioxide which act as a electrophile, is the first of all generated by following acid-base equilibrium between the 2 molecules of sulfuric acid. So here see 2 molecules, H2SO4 plus another H2SO4, and forming SO3, HSO4 minus and H3O plus. So SO3 is the electrophile. So SO3 sulfur trioxide act as an electrophile. So first step is the generation of electrophile in case of sulfonation. So this is step 1. In the step 2, the formation of carbocation intermediate. Again now it is resonance stabilized. So this is the benzene ring, and this is SO3 plus and attached to this, and what is now SO3 minus, and here is a H and positive charge. Again now here and here. So in the similar way, again there are 3 structures which are known as the resonance stabilized carbocation or the sigma complex and positive charge orient alternate carbon, and finally we obtain this resonance hybrid structure. So this can be shown in this way, H and SO3 minus. So this is the resonance hybrid structure. In the second step we obtain again now this step is a slow step and it is the rate determining step. So electrophile attack the benzene ring and the resonance stabilized carbocation is formed, and we obtain, this is the combination of all the 3, we obtain this is the resonance hybrid structure of the second step. And now in the third step there is a loss of proton and we get the from the carbocation. So carbocation is obtained in the second step, and this carbocation finally loses proton and forming sulfonic acid anion. So see here, benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the carbocation having carbon having positive charge, HSO4 minus and H plus combined with H2SO removed, SO3 minus is here. And after that this structure 2 we have taken here, and it reacts with the H3O plus, and what is now then SO3H from this is combined here, SO3H and H2O is removed, and this is the compound known as benzene sulfonic acid. So in the third step there is a loss of proton from the carbocation and we obtain the final product, benzene sulfonic acid. So these are the 3 steps involved in the sulfonation of electrophilic substitution reaction. So electrophile first, in all these cases there are 3 steps. First step is the generation of electrophile, second is formation of carbocation, and third is the loss of proton from carbocation. So this is the energy profile diagram in the second case. So this is the benzene, SO3 attacks, this is the reactant, energy of reactant is here, and again now this is converted some amount of energy required, converted reactant to transition state. So 2 transition states are here, and this is the compound here, and this is the activation energy required to convert, and this is the product, and finally we get C6H5SO3 minus, and H is combined, and what is we get benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the energy of this, here is shown, this is the energy of product, this is the energy of reactant. So these are the 2 different electrophilic substitution reaction of the aromatic compound. And so in today's part we have seen the general patterns of mechanism, and what is mechanism of substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, and we have taken the two important mechanism, nitration and sulfonation. In all the three steps, first step is the generation of electrophile, second is the formation of carbocation, and third is the removal of proton from the carbocation. So all these are the three different steps in case of nitration and sulfonation we have discussed in today's part.